Rotten food. That's what local government minister Desmond McKenzie says some street people are getting. Mr. McKenzie says persons who volunteer to feed street people are guilty of the offence, and he's warning them to stop. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
Estimates put the number of street people in Jamaica at more than 3,000. Some have been abandoned by relatives, while others have fallen on hard times and have nowhere to go. Over the years, they are left for the state to care for them, or sometimes groups would volunteer to feed and clothe them. But local government minister Desmond McKenzie says while some of these volunteer groups have good intentions, others don't.
Giving a warning, you have some people who claim that they are feeding persons living on the streets. And when you go to some of the location, the people them don't want the food, because either it's rotten meat or something is wrong with the quality of the food. They can't use these people as guinea pig.
Mr. McKenzie says part of the challenge why these persons are being abused and exploited by some of these groups is because there aren't enough drop-in centers to facilitate them. He says since 2016, 8 drop-in centers were built to provide care, but none in Kingston. In fact, the capital has no drop-in center, despite having an estimated 1,000 street people, which is the highest in the country.
We have now put in to next year's budget, and we are seeking support, and we are getting the support that Kingston will have a drop-in center for itself by the end of the next financial year.
Meanwhile, Mr. McKenzie says come next year, all infirmaries across the island will be upgraded. He says persons who work at the facilities will also be given additional training to help them take better care of the less fortunate.
We're going to ensure that they are given the requisite tools to undertake the responsibilities that they have. We're going to give them the support. We're going to improve the conditions under which they work.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.